Is your dream home turning into a nightmare because of shady real estate practices? Let's break down what happens when realtors cross the line, protecting you and keeping the industry honest in just 90 seconds. First, what are we talking about? Common violations include misrepresenting a property's condition, failing to disclose conflicts of interest like representing both buyer and seller without consent, and breaching client confidentiality. If you suspect a violation, document everything and file a complaint. Typically, this starts with your local realtor board, which investigates the claim. If it involves legal violations, it may go to the state real estate commission. Now, the consequences: disciplinary actions can range from mandatory ethics training and fines to license suspension, or even revocation, meaning they can no longer practice real estate. To prevent violations, realtors are required to take ongoing ethics courses. These courses reinforce their responsibilities and keep them updated on best practices. Ethical practices are critical for maintaining trust in the real estate industry and protecting you, the consumer. By understanding the rules and reporting violations, we can all contribute to a fairer market. Subscribe for more real estate insights and let us know in the comments if you've encountered unethical behavior. Your experiences can help others.